session. In this session, we will going to talk about Webkit framework. Webkit framework provides a set of classes which can be used to display content in Windows. And if you want to implement browser features in your app, like following links, uh, managing back forward list, and managing a history of pages recently visited, then Webkit can be the best framework. If there is a user requirement that you want to display PDF that is stored in anywhere in an if there is a requirement like you want to show PDF in your app, and that PDF is either stored in the document folder of your app, or it is remotely available. And if you have HTML string, and if you want to implement that HTML string into your app, and you can also display web pages if you want to do that in your app. If you can see on my screen, I have created one project. Now we're going to see that how we can add WebKit to your app. So this is my storyboard, and let's search for the web view. In the object library, you will going to see two UI component. One is web view, which is deprecated version. So we're going to make use of WebKit here. Click on WebKit and drag it to the screen, and then drag to the bottom edge of the screen, and then add constraints to it. Okay, now add. Okay, so the constraints are added. WebKit is available on this too. Now we're going to connect web view or WebKit to the view controller, and to do that, click it here, open assistant editor, and then click on the WebKit, press Ctrl, and then drag to the view controller class and give the name web view. Okay, now the WebKit is connected with the view controller. Now open the web controller from here. Now create one variable for URL and use URL here. Okay, then search for string. Okay, and then okay, so first of all, we make use we were using wkey web view. So please take care that before using this, we should have WebKit imported in the class. Okay, so please take care of that. Now we will write the web address of Google. Okay, now we're going to create one request here. Request equals to URL request. Okay, wait for its definition for that. Okay, now we will going to paste this URL and to the request. Okay, we'll paste the URL to the request. Now we will going to load this request to the web view. Okay, so there is an optional error, please add optional. Okay, now request. Okay, so here it is. Now we're going to run this code, and we'll see what happens in the simulator. Build succeeded. Now it's launching app in the simulator. So now you can see that The Google page is loaded in the web view, so you can search anything from the web view here. So you can create your own version of web browser, and if you want to write off this status bar, that if you don't want this, then we can simply write here status preferred, yes, and then you can pass return false. Okay, true, sorry, true. And now see that the status bar will get read off from this screen. So the full screen you will be having a web browser or a web view. Yes, now you can see that the status bar is hidden here. So in this way you can make use of web view and the classes that are available in the Webkit to create your own version of web browser. So thanks for watching this video.